How to play Helldivers 2 with controller. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you to easily play Helldivers 2 with a controller. Whether you have got a PlayStation, Xbox, Switch or even a generic controller lying around, I have got you covered. First things first, you will need to make sure you are running Helldivers 2 through Steam. This is crucial for a seamless controller setup thanks to Steam input. Once you have got the game fired up, you will notice a handy little prompt indicating controller compatibility. Now right-click on Helldivers 2, go to the Properties and make sure Steam input is enabled for all controller types. Next, head into the controller configurator. Here you can tailor your controller layout to your liking, whether you prefer developer recommendations, user templates or community layouts. Steam got you options. Now it's worth noting that since this is the day 1, we don't have any community layouts available yet. But don't worry, you can customize your own. Once you have done tinkering, Steam input takes over, automatically adjusting all the button binds for you. No hassle at all. And just like that, you are ready to dive into the action with your controller. No need to worry about button configurations or input changes. I hope this video helped you get set up to play Helldivers 2 with your controller. If I did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.